At Bruce Power, safety is our #1 concern. To maintain our safety-first value, all the members of our Emergency Protective Services Department, Security, Emergency Plan Programs, and Fire must be prepared and trained for any type of emergency that could threaten the site. In 2015, Bruce Power opened a state-of-the-art fire training facility. A 23,000 square foot building with several outdoor fire training displays is located on 2.5 acres within the Bruce Power site. The outdoor fire props, which include a Class A smokehouse, are for seasonal use, while the fire training building with indoor props permits year-round live fire training. Firefighters and power plant staff are provided with fire extinguisher training at the facility so that they are better equipped to deal with incipient fires. Bruce Power upholds a focus on environmental responsibility. The indoor fire displays and the majority of the exterior displays are operated with propane. Additionally, there are 4 Class B flammable liquid displays which use the environmentally approved TechFlame product. The facility's design supports Bruce Power's emergency preparedness approach to training staff for all hazards, as well as enhanced interoperability for site staff and external emergency response agencies. The facility's interior includes a scaled mock-up of a turbine generator set, so that firefighters can practice extinguishing a turbine fire. 14 burn appliances that operate on 2 settings are independently controlled by a facility operator. Replicating realism in the displays is an important design element. Beyond the simple visual imitation of station equipment, the facility suggests where fires would actually occur. The fire intensity can be increased or decreased, providing firefighters with immediate feedback so that they can evaluate the effectiveness of their techniques, such as isolation of the hydrogen gas, which is used to cool the generator. Fire props are designed to display artificial smoke, giving firefighters indications of overheated equipment and creating the visual impairment encountered with fire. There are 2 interior burn rooms with props that simulate fires on the primary heat transport motor, cable spreading tray, flammable bottle storage, and motor control center. In the upper burn room, cable tray fires can be simulated in 3 fire zones: the lower horizontal trays, vertical trays, and upper horizontal trays. Fires can also be established in both rooms simultaneously to train firefighters to look beyond the point of origin, as fires can breach walls, ceilings, and cable penetrations and extend to other areas of a building. The propane-fueled props produce fire and mimic smoke, while thermal cameras located throughout the building capture video footage and stream it back to the central control room. In addition to storing emergency equipment, the building has a mezzanine for annual firefighter fitness testing and rope rescue technical training. As training progresses, it continues to evolve to the 3-story interior rooms, which replicate areas within the stations and simulates more complex rescue scenarios, eventually leading to the rescue tower. Complex anchor systems utilize the 50-foot tower for high-angle rescue training that includes the scenario of victims who have fallen and are suspended. On the grounds outside, there is a Class A burn building for structural firefighting practice. There are also several TechFlame-powered outdoor props, allowing firefighters to use different types of equipment and agents to extinguish fires. Extinguishing agents available to firefighters include water, dry chemical, foam, or any combination of these. Training is not limited to weekdays. The facility allows firefighters on shift to conduct training during nights and weekends. The grounds also provide the space to practice different types of scenarios, such as hazardous material spills, including response to scenarios which have the potential to occur inside facilities, including the generating stations. Extrication training, like all other emergency response training, evolves from basic knowledge to complex scenarios. Through Incident Command Systems, training our Emergency Protective Services Department ensures that all of its facilities, equipment, personnel, procedures, and communications are seamlessly integrated in a united and effective emergency response. The facility is also used for training plant operations personnel to perform critical plant equipment manipulations while being exposed to realistic emergency environmental conditions. This helps to ensure that their emergency response actions are instinctive. Bruce Power's security force uses the grounds to run drills, both internally and with outside agencies. Bruce Power is an advocate for interoperability, not only for police, but for all provincial and municipal emergency response agencies. Local volunteer fire departments augment their training at the facility, as they may be called upon to support Bruce Power in an emergency. The realistic nature of the facility and its fire props allows those external agencies to gain a better understanding of the plant equipment as it exists in the stations. A number of technical solutions are employed to help minimize the impact that the training has on the environment. We know that the community and our employees count on us to make sure that our emergency responders and site staff are properly trained to face any potential challenge. You can continue to count on Bruce Power today and in the days ahead to keep our site and our communities safe.